Hello, my name is Haley Barron, and today I dissected the heart. And I did a sheep's heart dissection, and I'll be identifying a few portions of the heart. I'll be locating the right atrium and left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle, the mitral valve, which is also known as the bicuspid valve, the tricuspid valve, the aortic and pulmonic valve, interventricular septum, the endocardium, myocardium, and epicardium, as well as the chordae tendineae and coronary arteries. So to begin with the right atrium is going to be receiving deoxygenated blood from the body. So this will be our right atrium. And then this will be our tricuspid valve. And then our right ventricle. The tricuspid valve is going to separate our right atrium from our right ventricle. Over here will be our left atrium. Next is our bicuspid valve, which is also known as the mitral valve, and then our left ventricle. Closing this, you'll see our aortic valve, be this portion right here, and our pulmonary valve being more anterior to that. So there's our aortic valve, and then our pulmonary valve. So our aortic valve is going to be what holds the oxygenated blood before pumping it into the body. And next we'll have our interventricular septum, this portion right here. And this is going to be what's going to separate our ventricles from one another. Interventricular septum. Next we're going to have our endocardium, which can be the more inner portion of the heart. So this portion right here. Then our myocardium is going to be our muscular layer. So any portion like this can also contract and relax the heart muscle. And then our epicardium is going to be this outer membrane right here, right just outside the myocardium. So endocardium, myo, epicardium. And then your chordae tendineae, also known kind of as your heartstrings, are these portions right here. But they're also going to hold your anterioventricular valves. So right here, and then you're going to have your coronary arteries, which are going to provide your blood supply to the heart. And that's going to be these portions right here. So again, we have our right atrium, right ventricle, tricuspid valve, interventricular septum. We're going to have our left atrium, left ventricle, your bicuspid valve, chordae tendineae, endocardium, myocardium, epicardium, pulmonary valve, aortic valve. Thank you.